I'm going to try and clarify this because I've seen it pop up enough times. People are saying that these ruts that they're looking at are made by modern vehicles. So first I want you to go and familiarize yourself with something called Theseus paradox, or the ship of Theseus. Go ahead, take a minute and go look it up online and then come back here and I'll tell you the rest. All right, so you looked it up, and the ship of Theseus is basically the concept that if you have something, a ship is the example used, and over time, this used to be Theseus' ship, and over time, all the parts of it are replaced, at what point is it no longer the ship of Theseus? That's the same situation we have with these trail ruts. So when I said this is where the Oregon Trail ran, that's correct. This is the route the Oregon Trail ran that you're looking at in the video, the original video I posted, and in several of the other ones. So how did that double line get there? Because originally a lot of these were indigenous people's pathways, or maybe even deer tracks. I mean, it can be any of those, but originally they were a single file path. But what you see there are two lines, parallel, caused by a four-wheeled vehicle, okay? This person's saying these are from modern vehicles. Yeah, sure they are, because modern vehicles followed the same path as the Oregon Trail, because it was the path of least resistance. So the fact that vehicles after the covered wagons used that trail doesn't make it not the Oregon Trail, okay? Point is, the two lines, the two tracks that you're seeing, ruts from wheels, that part of the trail started when the wagons started coming down the trail. Has the trail been used for lots of other things since then? Of course. That's the nature of a road and the nature of trails, is they keep being used by other things. Does that mean that it's no longer the Oregon Trail? No, of course, it's still the Oregon Trail. So yeah, down by the road where I was standing, the ruts are wider and it looks more like a modern vehicle type road. But if you just go a little ways up that hill from where I was standing, all you see are dust tracks, dusty ruts, and they're just indentations in the dust. And this is part of the original Oregon Trail.